oil life reset on a 2023 BMW X1. So the first thing you want to do is press the start stop button 3 times simultaneously. Come back to the dashboard, wait for it to settle off, and go into diagnostic mode. So the conventional BMW, that would be like from the 2015 to about 2021 or thereabout. They have the BC button to the left, but this one, the BC button, it's not a BC button, but it's actually a settings button. This is what you're going to use to reset the oil life. So press and hold this button. It's on the right side of the steering wheel. Hold it for about 15 seconds. And you release it. Press it again for like 3 seconds. And you release. Press again for 3 seconds. Then you release. And you will see the oil reset in progress. And then you're good to go. So you can start it. And it should be good.